Hi everybody, this is Dr. Rakesh Arya. I have been a serial entrepreneur. I am a speaker. I am a firefighter, fire expert. I keep meeting variety of audiences all over globe. I have been talking to young generation who have recently completed their studies. They are full of oxygen, they're full of energy, they're full of innovative ideas. But problem is they are not sharing it. They are not participating. They have their own doubts about themselves. Let me tell you that when Edison understood how bulb is made, so he never said he does not know or he was not aware of how not to use this material, but he told that I know more than 1000 or 1900 methods where bulb cannot be made. And I have understood now that I can make the bulb this way also. So, ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand until unless you don't participate, you don't share your ideas, how people will come to know what you all have. Swami Vivekananda used to say, if you give me 10 or 100 positive people, young men who have strong beliefs in their own mind, I can change the world. So please share your ideas. People are ready to listen to you. They are waiting for new energy. In this age of competition, in this age of speed, people get bored and they are looking for new things. And you have that new thing. So don't have any fear in your brain. People are just waiting for you. You share your ideas, you write your ideas, you discuss with your group. You don't know who will like your idea. Many times madness is also sold or bought at very high prices. So please understand, as our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi says, that we are looking for entrepreneurs. Generally, in our traditional concept, parents used to look after the career where people used to become engineer, advocate, and doctors only. Now it's an age of specialization where you have ENT specialist, you have brain specialist, you have specialization of every area. You can choose where you can create new things, where are the opportunities, what you love to do, what you can do where you will not feel tired. It's a demand of time. You just need to have clarity, you just need to have fearlessness, and just share it. And don't think what people will say. If you will become successful, even then people will say something for you. We don't know whom you have copied. We don't know how did you overnight become so successful. There must be something wrong behind you. So don't get afraid of scared of what people will say. Just keep sharing, keep engaging yourself, keep participating. Whenever you get an opportunity in an audience to ask question, ask question. When you get an opportunity to share something what you know, people would listen to you. You understand one thing. I started speaking at 6th standard and I was taught since that time that when you speak, people are ready to listen. When people are ready to listen, who is stopping you to speak? So I wish you all the very best. Keep rocking, keep roaring, keep sharing, keep participating, because people are waiting for new things, otherwise they will get bored. And was one last line, if you will not do, something else will do. Something or someone else will do. So if someone else will do, he will reap the crops. Then don't blame later. His destiny was something different. He was fortunate. So you are also fortunate, or you can become fortunate if you participate, if you share with people. I wish you all the very best and thank you.